we're gonna cheat by using a cinnamon roll that you can buy in the store. These come wrapped up in the refrigerated section. They're normally cinnamon rolls and they come with a nice white icing. Instead, we're gonna make these into super duper pecan rolls. And we're just gonna coat the inside really good because we don't want these to stick. So we're gonna put some pecans right in the bottom of each cup. Tablespoon, maybe a little tablespoon and a half. We're gonna take some brown sugar, about a tablespoon on each one. The honey, we just want a little drop. I know that we've already put sugar in here, but the taste of the honey sometimes is just nice. So now we're gonna take our butter, each cup, a little bit of butter, and then we're gonna take the cinnamon part, because this is the mixture they put on top to make the special cinnamon. So we're gonna put them that way, upside down, and we're gonna pop these into the oven for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Now we've taken our pecan rolls out of the oven. As you can see, they're golden brown on top. What we're trying to do is get these out and have the pecan stick to them. Obviously, sometimes it gets a little stuck in the pan, so we're gonna give the pan a couple of taps. Now, we're gonna take this other sheet pan and we're gonna hold on to it. We're gonna flip it over and give it another tap. But look at that. Are those great or what? And you will wow your guests with these. Just think we made them out of cinnamon rolls that you bought at the grocery store.